Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove grid lines on TradingView. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in TradingView and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, we have all the sections like product, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. From here, you can see your profile settings, account and billing. You can refer a friend, see the help center, and so on. From here, you're going to find the search bar. You can search markets from here. Click right here, and then you're going to find a list that includes all of the markets. You can also see only stocks, only funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, and economy. You can filter as you want. And right here, you're going to find your watch list. For example, I'm going to open the Apple Charts. From here, you can get widgets, see area or candles. You can take a snapshot or you can launch the full chart view. We're going to launch the full chart view. And as you can see, guys, this is the graphic. And right here, we have the grid lines. If you guys want to remove the grid lines, it's pretty easy. All you need to do, guys, is go right here to the top right corner and you're going to find the chart settings. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you can, as you can see, guys, there is the settings for the symbol, status line, scale, canvas, trading, and event. So just go ahead and click on canvas. And as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find the background gradient and you're going to find under the grid lines. If you guys want to remove the grid lines, all you need to do, guys, is click on none. And then once you click on none, click on OK. And as you can see, guys, now the lines has been removed. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.